Combining Pinterest with business strategies can lead to a steady online income. Earning $100 a day with this Pinterest approach is within reach. It's still a relatively untapped market full of potential. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of building this Pinterest business model step by step, and I'll show you how to automate it to generate passive income. We start by leveraging Pinterest to showcase our content to targeted audience. This content draws in viewers who then become customers by purchasing our product. Those customers can then become affiliates, promoting the product further. This creates a continuous cycle of growth and promotion. Head over to pinterest.com and click the sign up button to create your account. Once you're logged into your new Pinterest account, it's time to personalize it. Click on edit profile and fill in the details. I've already done this step, but you'll just need to enter the first name, last name, and choose a username. We need to create a logo for both our Pinterest account and our business. Let's get started with that. To design our logo, I'm using Canva. In the search tab, just type in logos, click enter, and then you can search a bunch of templates that you can choose from and just pick one you like. For example, I'm choosing this one. You can click on customize this template and start creating your own logo. Logos are crucial as they represent your brand and attract customers. Let's aim to create the best logo that aligns with what we are promoting. My business is named Dental Care Haven, so I'll update the text to reflect that. With a positive mindset, we'll head to the text settings and adjust the font for more appealing look. Also, I wanted to add a tooth graphic from the element section, so after searching for tooth, I found a great option, so I just dragged this tooth to this logo and now it looks pretty good. To download this logo, just click on share, click on download and download once again. And just like that, our logo is ready. We can go back to a Pinterest account, click on change, choose a photo and click on our logo we just created. By the way guys, I've created an awesome affiliate marketing knowledge quiz just for you. Whether you're just starting out or you're already an expert, this quiz will help you discover your level of expertise and provide you with personalized tips to improve your skills. You'll receive personalized tips and resources based on your results, and you'll get access to exclusive courses and ebooks to help you boost your skills and income. All you need to do is click the link in the description down below, located right here, to take this quiz. It's that simple. Don't sleep on it, and let's get back to our video. Now let's head over to TikTok to gather some content. There are two main types of posts we'll be sharing on Pinterest. First, we have video posts and second, photo posts. Let's start with video posts. Since I'm focusing on the dental care, I searched for dental care and found plenty of options. To download the clip, just click on it, copy the link of this video, go to a website called snaptic.app, paste the link over here, click on download and download once again. And this video will be downloaded to your computer without any watermarks. If you're using this method, be sure to credit the original creator in your Pinterest post description. For example, mention this username for TikTok. Okay, we are on Pinterest now, ready to post the video we just downloaded. But hold on, what happens next for viewers? Let's create the product we'll be directed to. When it comes to making a good product, you want a couple of things. Firstly, set a price that satisfies both the customer and you, the owner. Secondly, ensure the content is high quality, offering great products, encouraging customers to share and recommend them, which can lead to more sales. And thirdly, aim for healthy profit margins. Avoid products with low returns where costs overshadow potential earnings. Fortunately, our digital product has zero production costs and offers full profit margins. Here's how to create it. We'll use ChatGPT to design a product. I recommend crafting a guide or an ebook as your product. To summarize this, I gave ChatGPT a couple of things. First, determine the topic for the subject matter for ChatGPT to write about. So in my case, it's how to take care of your teeth. Second, provide your identity or brand like Dental Care Haven and specify, please make this professional yet accessible to everyone. Then press enter and let it generate the content. Alright, that's the entire book, 7 pages in total. Page 1 will look like this. Copy this introduction and go back to canva.com. Type in ebook and search for a template you would like to continue on. I'm choosing this one, click on customize this template, and now we can delete all of his text and just paste our introduction. And we of course can change the font to maybe Poppins. I really like this font. Move it a bit to the top, make it center, And that's it, our introduction page is finished. Now what you want to do is to actually duplicate this page and copy and paste every page just like we did with the introduction. For the cover page, similar to what we did for the page 1, you should include the title and your business name. For example, my cover reads How to Take Care of Your Teeth, a Comprehensive Guide by Dental Care Haven as the company name. So I added the background, I added this graphic, and also guys, I changed all of the backgrounds to white and letters to black. So this is what I did. It's pretty simple. I just wanted to make it quick and easy. I recommend you spend some more time on this, as this will be your number one thing you're going to sell. Keep in mind that after creating all your pages, you'll compile them into a PDF, which will be your product. With the product ready, head over to Gumroad to list your product. Create a free account on Gumroad and you'll be taken to a dashboard like this. What you want to do now is to go to products, click on new product, choose a digital product, and type in your product name. Now you need to set a price. I recommend choosing a $5 or less, since this is a basic product and doesn't justify a higher cost. Now click on next, customize. For the description, you just say what you're going to learn in this, the backstory behind it. Luckily for you, I prepared a cheat sheet. I've put a title and the description for this listing in the Google Docs, and I also uploaded this ebook we just created for you to use, so you don't have to stress about it and start making content for Pinterest, not worrying about what to sell. Just click the link in the description down below and you'll get a couple of digital products for completely free. Moving on to our listing, you can just copy the description from a Google Docs document I shared for you and paste it in the description area on the Gumroad website. Next, upload your images and use standard URL provided by Gumroad instead of a custom domain. For the cover, create a square image using Canva. For the product details, simply use by this, and on the content page to simply upload your PDF file. Now we can click on save changes and publish and continue. One advantage of Gumroad is its discover feature, which functions like a For You page. This feature promotes your products to potential buyers, expanding your reach beyond your current audience and attracting new customers who might be interested in what you offer. Okay, your product is live and you're familiar with the Discover page. Next, let's check out the affiliate program. Just click on your profile logo, then select Affiliates to access your affiliate program settings. To recruit affiliates, head to the affiliate sign up form. Here you'll find your unique affiliate link, which will be used for signing up. I'll explain how this process works shortly. You can set a commission that your affiliates will make if they sell your product. So when they do fill it out, you're going to get sent a request, and the request is going to be back over here in affiliate section. A promotion request could look like this. Hi, I'm planning to promote this product on Instagram, on TikTok, where I have a large following. Please approve my application. This message explains why we should be approved as an affiliate. It's important to vet affiliates carefully to avoid issues like spamming, using bots, or engaging in fraudulent activities. The affiliate program is your key to success. You should focus a significant amount of your effort on managing and growing it. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to answer as many as I can. Remember, if you're not working towards earning money, someone else is. Stay focused, get things done, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.